Hey Medicos, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about my story from being a nobody to getting that tag of an Amazonian, due to which I'm able to write this as my title and fetch some extra views. Okay, so let me start it by saying that there is no secret for cracking any exam except your dedication, determination and focus. That being said, let's start the story. So it was the summer of 2014 and I received a newspaper at my house which had NEET result of Allen Career Institute with some photos of toppers printed on it. और मैं उस टाइम बहुत छोटा था and a kid is like a little plant that will absorb everything that's fed to him. So from that moment, everything changed. I had only one thing in my mind, that I have to score a good rank in NEET 2018 so that my photo gets printed on the same newspaper. So from that day, I inculcated the trait of dedication in myself and got interest in academics. On the same newspaper, I saw an ad of Talentex, a talent hunt exam conducted by Allen Career Institute. I started preparing for it, appeared for the exam, and got the All India rank 643. Although among my classmates, I secured the best rank, and not to forget, Allen also gave me a cash prize of 1000 rupees. But I was not satisfied because I knew that the competition was going to be tough. After an year, I was going to appear for NTSC, so I started studying harder, and this gave me the second quality, the determination. In class 10th, I appeared again for the Talentex, but this time I was shocked because I was not even among the top 1000. I figured out my mistake and realized that I was overconfident and lacked focus. I decided that I will not repeat any of my mistake in NTC Stage 1. I appeared for the exam on 8 November 2015 and came out of the exam hall crying and weeping because I committed the dumbest mistake of filling the OMR in last 5 minutes. I still remember that I was only able to fill 158 bubbles out of 200 in an exam which had no negative marking. I was literally depressed. I came back home. My mom asked me about the exam. I broke down and told her the whole story. She tried to console me, but I was so fucking sad that I was going to fail in an exam for which I studied day and night. I stopped hanging out with my friends. This might sound a little funny to you and you may say, फिर क्या हो गया ब्रो, एक एग्जाम ही तो था, जिंदगी थोड़ी खत्म हुई है. पर मेरे लिए उस टाइम एनटीएससी ही सब कुछ था, and it is truly said by someone that
कच्ची उम्र में जब किसी चीज को इतने दिल से चाहते हो ना, फिर दो ही चीजें होती हैं. अगर मिल गई तो सुकून है, चिल है, और नहीं मिला ना तो फिर मिलती है जेलेसी, चुभन, सेल्फ डाउट. भाई साहब कॉन्फिडेंस गिर जाता है.
It felt like a breakup. I took some weeks to move on, but finally I was again on the track. I started studying for the boards. Now I was quite convinced that I'm not going to qualify NTSC, and यही मेरा सत्य है. It was 19 February 2016 and something unbelievable happened on this day. My maths teacher entered the class and announced that 2 students from our school have qualified the NTSC, and I was one of them. I didn't know how to react. I was not prepared for it. I couldn't believe it. I checked my result on the internet and I was shocked. I got the same marks as that of cutoff, that is 114. I was so happy that I cried. On that day, I learned one thing, that we should always enjoy the journey without thinking about success or failure, because this is something which is not under our control. And with this thought process, I appeared for NTC Stage 2. I failed it, but this time it didn't feel that bad. I joined Helix Institute Chandigarh in 11th class and started preparing for NEET/AIMS. I used to secure a decent rank there, that is, among top 10 out of 1000 students. I thought I need some more competition and again appeared for the Talentex. This time I achieved All India rank 24, which gave me a little bit of God complex. But once I visited Allen Kota, it all shattered into pieces. वहाँ तो भाई साहब एक से ऊपर एक बच्चे थे. I'm not going to say any cuss words in this video, but literally, मेरे तो लग गए. It was stressful for me. I was not able to focus on my studies. I started stress eating. I developed a fear of failure. But then I remembered that this has happened in the past. I have failed a lot many times. But at last, what matters is how you bounce back. And this self-belief kept me going. And here I am after achieving All India rank 296, enjoying my life in AIMS Jodhpur. I hope this story must have inspired you a bit. It would be great if you drop a like and a comment, which will help this video reach more sweet audience like you. If you are watching this video till here, you are a good girl/good guy. Come on, give me a high five. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.